Hello, I'm Tracy and welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. Now, with Halloween right around the corner, I know my Halloween-loving friends are giddy planning their Halloween parties. With that in mind, I wanted to share a few quick, easy, and affordable party favors and treat bags with a twist that I know will be a huge hit at your parties as well. So let's get started.
Okay, so this first project, you're going to need just a few supplies. I'm going to be using the decorative shred in orange. I'm also going to be using some little jack-o'-lantern faces that I cut out in a black vinyl on my Silhouette machine. I'm also going to be using some shatterproof ornaments. And last but not least, I'm going to be using a little wood pumpkin cutout that I paint orange. After painting my pumpkin, I take a paper towel and I just dry off the rest of the paint. I kind of want a stained look on my pumpkin, and then I set it aside to dry. So while that's drying, we move on to our shatterproof ornaments, which we are going to stuff with the orange shredded paper. Once my ornaments are filled with the paper shred and the pumpkin cutout has dried, I move on to applying the vinyl jack-o'-lantern faces to my ornaments. What I love most about this simple project is that it can be used for any season. It can also be changed up. I'm using a jack-o'-lantern face, but I've also stuffed them with white shred paper and used a ghost face, and those are adorable too. They are looking so cute. Now I want to attach a ribbon hanger. I'm keeping mine simple, but I have embellished other sets with little matching bows. Also keep in mind that they can be personalized. I think these make a perfect parting gift for a Halloween party or any party for that matter. This next DIY is so much fun and so simple to make, and the supplies are readily available out on the marketplace. You're going to need some Halloween cards of your choice, some double-sided tape, ribbon of your choice. I'm going to be using this beautiful orange gingham, and you need a hole punch. To start the project, I lay out my cards and I punch 2 holes at the opening edge of each card. Once I have my holes punched in my card, I move on to attaching the treats, or in my instance, I'm going to be using these little card games, and I'm going to start by attaching a piece of double-sided tape to the back of the card game. Then I'll just take my game and I'll press it right down to the inside front of the card. Or if you're using candy, you would do the same process. Just put the double-sided tape on the back side of the candy wrapper. And to finish this project, I take a piece of ribbon and I thread it through the back side holes of the card, bring it through the front side, and I just tie a little bow. My favorite part of this DIY project is that you can make it as sophisticated or as simple as you like, depending on the quality of cards you use and the treats you put inside. I love to put mine in a basket at the front door, so when people are leaving, they can just grab one as they go. These would also be great as work favors, maybe to your coworkers if you want to just give them a little surprise of some sort at Halloween or maybe any holiday. And the best thing is they're very budget friendly. I hope these party favor ideas add a bit of festive fun to your Halloween this year, and I'm wishing you all a safe and happy Halloween.